Hi everyone and welcome to Abhishek's Kitchen. Today we are going to make Besan Chilla with egg Bhurji. At the end of this recipe, I'm also going to share with you some plating ideas. So let's get started.
For this, we need first for the Besan Chilla or chickpea flour crepe, 200 grams of chickpea flour, 1 teaspoon salt or as per taste, 0.5 teaspoon turmeric powder, 0.5 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, 0.5 teaspoon caraway seeds, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds powder, 1 inch chopped ginger, 2 chopped green chilies, 1 chopped small red onion, 1 chopped small tomato, oil as required, and 1 cup water or as required. Now for the egg bhurji or masala scrambled eggs, you need 4 eggs, 2 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon cumin powder, 1 teaspoon salt or as per taste, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, 0.5 teaspoon turmeric powder, half chopped red onion, half chopped tomato, 1 inch chopped ginger, 2 chopped green chilies, few coriander leaves and stalks, 1 tablespoon butter and oil as required. Now for the recipe, first for the crepe or chilla, in chickpea flour add salt, cumin powder, turmeric powder, caraway seeds and red chili powder and mix everything together. Add a small quantity of water and mix. Once a liquid consistency is achieved, don't add more water. To this add coriander, green chilies and ginger. Next add onion and tomato and mix. Next, in a pan on medium heat, add a scoop of this batter and spread using the back of the scoop. Next, pour some oil on the sides and on top of the crepe. Once you see that the edges are turning brown, flip the chilla or crepe. Cook from the other side until golden brown. Fold it in half and place it on a plate. Your chilla or crepe is ready. Now for the egg bhurji or masala scrambled eggs, in a pan on medium heat, add 2-3 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, add cumin seeds and mix. Once the cumin seeds start to splutter, add onions and mix. Next, crack 4 eggs in a bowl and whisk. Once the onions are translucent, add green chilies and ginger and mix. After cooking for 2 minutes, add tomatoes and salt and mix. Once the tomatoes are soft, crush the tomatoes using back of the spatula and mix. Next, add turmeric, cumin and red chili powder and a dash of water and mix. Once the masala is dry, add a little bit of water and mix. Once you see that the oil is oozing out, turn the flame to low and add the whisked eggs and butter and mix. Once you observe that the eggs are sticking at the bottom, remove the pan from the flame and mix and then place it back on the flame. Once the eggs are creamy, add coriander. Your egg bhurji or masala scrambled eggs is ready to serve. Now let's get started on plating. For plate 1, place a crepe on a plate. Add scrambled eggs on top of it. Garnish it with coriander. Your plate 1 is ready to serve. For plate 2, in a bowl add egg bhurji and place it on a platter. Place the prepared crepe or chilla next to it. Garnish it with coriander. Your plate 2 is ready to serve. For plate 3, in a plate add scrambled eggs. Add bite-sized crepes on the perimeter of the plate. Add more scrambled eggs and garnish it with coriander. Your plate 3 is ready to serve.
Thank you and namaste from my side. See you all in the next video.